Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the headlight bulbs on a Chevy Equinox. So our access point for the bulbs is actually going to be in the wheel well here. So if we look down here, there's a torque screw here and there's some plastic rivets as well all the way up here, and then there's a couple there. That's up to you, you can just reach. So we're going to start taking things down and see what we have on the inside. All right, so we're going to take care of the two torque screws, one right here and one right here. They're a T15 bit, so we're going to remove them first. All right, so next we're going to take care of these two plastic rivets. To do so, we're going to use this panel popper. It's a lot easier. If you don't have this one, you can use a flat edge screwdriver. However, you just got to be careful not to break them. So we're just going to remove them real quick. All right folks, so for the sake of the video and the camera angle, I went ahead and jacked the vehicle up and took the wheel off. You don't have to do that, but I will let you know it actually makes it a whole lot easier because you have all this empty room instead of just a few inches on either side of the tire. So now we're going to take off these plastic rivets on the top so we can swing this wheel well out nice and easy. All right, so now that we have all the fasteners off of this wheel well here, we're just going to pull it back. I'm actually going to use a bungee cord here. I'm going to hook it into one of the fastener holes and then stretch it and then wrap it around part of the suspension here just to keep it out of our way. All right, so before I set you down on the tripod, I'm just going to get you a nice close angle. If you look right up there, that cap, that's what we're going to be unscrewing, and that's where our headlight is located. So we're going to set you down and start the work. So a quick twist, it comes off. Just double check your seal, that blue seal on there, just to make sure it's not damaged. That keeps all your water out. So your wiring harness is right here. If you look at it closely, there's a little clip. You just pull on that and your harness will actually come right off, just like that. Then we just grab, this is actually our headlight right here, the bulb, twist it away from you and out it comes, just like that. So there's the number that you need. Apologize, it's upside down, H11. And if you look, there are 3 triangle tabs on there. They line up with 3 triangle tabs up there. So we're going to put it back into place, line up those tabs. Just like that. Then you're going to take your wiring harness here, clip it back into place till it clicks like that. Take your cap, put it back on. It may take a little wiggling to find the sweet spot for it. Twist it on like that. Then we're good to go ahead and start putting everything back together. All right, that's all there is to it, folks. Obviously get your wheel back on, torque them to 140 foot-pounds of torque if you did take the wheel off. Hopefully you found this helpful, and as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.